Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily do a Google form in just 5 minutes. So first of all, you're going to open your web browser. So now you are going to open forms.google.com and you're going to hit the enter button. Okay, if you're not signed in already, it will require you to sign in. So you're going to sign in with your Google account and then you'll be brought to this interface. Alright, so from here you're going to select the kind of form you want to create. You can give any title to your form. So now you are going to give any title to your form. So I'm going to call this form survey. Okay, so you can come down here and give a description to your form. Let me just call it survey form. All right, now you're going to scroll down. Okay, so here you're going to decide the type of form you want to create by clicking on this combo box here. You want to create a short answer, a paragraph, multi-choice question, checkboxes, whatsoever it is, and this depends on the purpose of the form you are creating. So here I want to create a multi-choice question and I'm going to select multi-choice question. So you can see it selected here, and here I am going to type in the first question. Let's say I'm setting exam for TikTok, so I am going to say, what is TikTok? All right. So then I'm going to close here and I will come down a bit and I'm going to fix the possible options that the users are going to select from. So I'm going to put option 1 and I'm going to say a website. All right, this is the first option. Okay, and I'm going to put option 2 by clicking on add another option. I'm going to click on option 2 and I'm going to say an app. Okay, now I'm going to click on add option again, add option 3, and I'm going to say mobile phone, right? And I'm going to click on add option again, depending on the number of options you want your questions to have. So now I'm going to put computer, right? So this is it. I have set these questions and these are the options. So you can go on and add questions, and you can go on and add options depending on what you want to achieve with the form. Guys, if I want to add another question, I am going to click on this plus icon by the bottom left hand side. I'm going to click on it, right? And then I'm going to type my second question for this form. Maybe what is Facebook? What is Facebook? All right, and you go on and select the kind of options you want for this. I'm going to use a multi-choice question as we did before. All right, then I'm going to use option 1, maybe a website, just like I did before. Okay, I'll click on add option and I'll click on app and I'll go on and on and on to add options until I get the number of options I want. Okay, so when you are done typing all your questions, you will want to share this form to your followers, or you want to share it for students or whatsoever to fill. So you're going to click on this arrow button by the top here. Okay, and you're going to click on this link button here and you're going to click on copy. So you can share this link to anybody. You can share it to students, you can share it to whosoever you want to have access to this form and fill it. All right, so you can navigate through different options here to see how you want your form to perform. You can as well send it via mail to anyone. All right, so now you want to check the responses that people have sent from their end. So you're going to click on these responses and you're going to refresh and you're going to see different responses from people rather, please. So guys, that's it on how to do a Google form in just a few minutes. So thank you for watching. Please follow me and drop your comments. Share this video too.